Alright guys, welcome to this training. In today's training we are going to be taking a look at the first step or the first approach to website design. If you want to start web design, what do you need first? Now first thing we need to take a look at, I want to take a look at yes, we want to take a look at domain name and hosting review. Now first of all, before you think of starting a web design, you will think of a domain name and hosting. Now what is domain name and hosting? What is it all about? A domain name is a unique name that is given to a website. Yes, domain name is a unique name, that unique name that is given to a particular website that only that website has a legal right to own. Now let's take for example let's take for example www.jumia.com. Now that jumia.com is owned by Jumia and nobody else owns it. That's why it's called a unique name. Now let's take for example Jumia registered their domain name with www.jumia.com. Now when you take a look at when you as a person, maybe for example you want to do a similar thing to Jumia, you cannot use the domain name again, www.jumia.com. It's not possible. It's either you tweak it, you add some characters to it, or it will not work. That is why it is called a unique name. A unique name that is given to a particular website. And now after buying a domain name, first of all the next thing that will come is web hosting. Now for your website to run, or for your domain name to be active, you need to host it. Yes, so today we are going to be taking a look at domain name and hosting, how you can host it, where to go, and step by step you take to do that. Now for you to have a domain name, you will need what we call domain name registrars. Yes, you need a domain name registrar. Now these domain name registrars, they are people that are legal to register your domain name. Yes, they are the right persons, or they are being given that authority, the legal right to register your domain name. What are some of them? And some of them are everybody, you have heard of GoDaddy, you have heard of Bluehost, heard of SiteGround, heard of Namecheap, heard of QServers, and you've heard of Esteem Host. Now what they do is you give them the name you prefer to register, and they will register it and probably host it for you as well. For example, you want maybe let's visit GoDaddy. Let's see what we've got. All right, you say GoDaddy. All right, now for you to do that, first, you need to visit their website. Any of them you want to go with, give us a case study. Yes, let's visit them. Let's know what we've got. First thing first, once you visit them, you open an account with them. First for sign up, you click on sign up. Say Prosperity. My Prosperity 2020. My password. And let's click continue. Alright, this is successful. Yes. Now after successful registration, the next thing you is they welcome you. Hello, this is blah blah blah. Okay, now welcome. Alright. Now after that, what you need to do, go back to the domain name. But we'll go back to the domain and let's search for a particular domain name you are doing. Maybe for example you want to take a look at, you want to register a particular one in your mind. Maybe maybe like creativeminds.com. Let's search. Check the availability first before you do anything. Once available, they will tell you. If it's not available, they will tell you. Then probably you want to tweak and okay. You see, it's not available, so you have to tweak it. Creative Mind says it. Let's for example, let's say you have for example Creative Mind 2020. Are you fucking serious? Creative Minds. Let's say Creative Mind. Creative Mind. Creative Mind photos. Creative Mind. There's a graphics. Yes, Creative Mind graphics. Okay, see, this is available. So next thing, once available, the next to do is to add it to your cart, because we already open an account with them. You just add to carts. So see, successfully added to cart. So let's view it. You see, creativemindgraphics.com. It says it's available and it's $8.8 with this with icon fee, browse stuff like that. So you click on checkout. If you click on checkout, you will be directed to this place, say confirm order. Then once you say confirm order, this is your billing. Say your log billing address. You're filling the account information, whatever, blah, blah, stuff like that. So I'm going to just enter, say business address 2. I don't need it. This blah blah blah, blah. Let's say 234. Okay, 235, 234. Yes. So you first number is not optional. Then you click continue. Once that is done, then your billing contact, whatever. Then after, then when you click continue. Order. So after the registration, what the next thing to do is to come back. If you want to use Namecheap as well for your hosting, you first of all you come back here, say hosting. After you register the domain name and all that, you come back here, come back to this dashboard again and click on hosting, shared hosting. Click on share hosting. Now this one they have Stellar, they have Stellar Plus, and they have Stellar Business. So I would recommend as a web designer you start with this, depending on what the website is all about. Yes. So you click on get started. Now say connect your domain name. Connect that domain name on your cart. That's what they are going to see. They will see that, and no domain name to show. Okay, that's probably me. So let's check our cart again. Okay, let's go back and enter. Connect your third-party domain name already in the cards. Alright, look at it. So what you just say all total amount expenses, so they say add to cards. Say add to cards. Once you add to cards, you can take it to this. Okay, so what you'll be buying now is you're buying your domain name, WhoisGuard, and hosting all together. So after we say probably confirm order, so you continue, and all together you enter your credit cards, your credit card details, and after everything you click continue. Once you continue, it will now take you back to the dashboard. It will now take you back down to confirm order. So after everything, you'll be deducted, money will be deducted from your account. So that's how to register a domain. That's how to register a domain name and you host it. But let me quickly show something. Now, if you want to register a domain name, or for a business, or maybe for example a client comes and tells you, okay, look, I need a domain name. Important, when you are registering a domain name, you have to make sure you register it, you pick a domain name that is in line with the person's business, what the person is doing. Please note that, very, very important. So all in all, that is how you buy a domain name and you host it. So when you have any issues and challenge, all you just need to do is to visit Namecheap, the domain name registrar. You come up, you can chat with them like this Namecheap. I can easily chat them up and get instant response. That is one of the things I like about them. That is one of the reasons why I love use them a lot. You can chat with them live if you have challenges, and they are always there to support you. And to give you solutions you